Hello, everyone. I'm Richard Branch, Chief Economist for Dodge Construction Network, and I'm here today to talk about the Construction Starts news release for September 2023. Hard to believe we're in September already. So, as a reminder, what we do at Dodge is we're tracking construction information at the project level, and we're tracking these projects all the way from their earliest incarnation in the planning cycle through to when they break ground, which is what we call a start. And so the data today is essentially the summation of all the projects that broke ground during September 2023. And we do put the full dollar value of the project in the month that it breaks ground. So, kind of a downer month for September when you look at the data. Construction starts fell 6% from August. Non residential buildings were down 4%. Residential buildings were down 6%. Non building or infrastructure construction was down 9% from August to September. So, when we look back on the last 12 months of construction activity, we're essentially flat. The year to dates are a little bit negative, but overall here, construction is essentially flat over the past 12 months, and it's really interesting to see this bifurcation I've said before in the market. Publicly funded projects like infrastructure and manufacturing, education and healthcare are doing reasonably well, but it's that private side of the market, whether that's residential or whether that's the income property types like office and warehouse, are doing are especially weak over the last 12 months. So as we think about where we go from here in terms of as the end of 2023 and then into 2024, the challenges continue to mount for construction. We're in a high interest rate environment. Interest rates will probably stay high until at least the summer of 2024. That's when we think the Fed will start to cut rates. Credit standards continue to be tight, and there are, of course, a lot of externalities facing the construction market. Lots of extra risks, whether that's higher energy prices, whether that's enhanced geopolitical risk or enhanced domestic risk surrounding Congress getting the appropriation bills done on time for the current fiscal year, which actually began back on October 1. So lots of challenges here that the sector has to work its way through. Overall, we're expecting construction starts to be pretty flat in 2023, even into the first quarter of 2024. We don't expect a lot of positive momentum in the first quarter of next year either. But once we get into the summer of 2024, we think that that's where we'll start to build on levels, and we'll start to see some more organic growth develop in the construction sector. So I'll leave it there for now. Thank you so very much for watching, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye.